In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Clickup easily and quickly. Whether you're managing projects for work or just trying to keep your personal life organized, knowing how to add tasks effectively can really streamline your workflow. First things first, let's head over to the Clickup website. You'll want to navigate to clickup.com, which you can do through your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but I'm assuming most of you are already users. Once you're ready to go, click on the login button. You'll be directed to a page where you can enter your login credentials. If you're like me and prefer fewer passwords to remember, you can simply sign in using your Google account. Click on the Sign In with Google button, and a new window will appear showing the Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the account you'd like to use to gain access to Clickup. This seamless login process makes it incredibly easy to jump in without any fuss. Now that you're logged into Clickup, it's time to add a new task. Navigate to the home screen or your desired project space and find the button labeled Add Task. This is typically located in the upper section of your project space or workspace. Give it a click and a new task window will pop up. In this window, you'll need to enter a title for your task. Try to keep it concise yet descriptive, so it's clear what needs to be done. Once the title is in place, you have the option to add a description. This part is very helpful when you have detailed instructions or key points that the title alone doesn't capture. If it's a simple task, this might not be necessary, but it's available for those more complex items. Next, you can assign the task to someone, including yourself. Click the field marked Assignee and pick the appropriate team member who needs to handle the task. This helps in delegating work and ensuring everyone is clear about their responsibilities. Setting a due date is crucial for any task. Click on Due Date to open a calendar where you can pick the date for the task's completion. Following timelines helps in maintaining productivity and tracking project progress effectively. If your task requires prioritization, ClickUp allows you to set this too. Assign a priority rank to your task, helping you and your team understand what needs immediate attention over other tasks. Finally, double check that all the details are filled in correctly. When you're satisfied, click on Create Task. And there you have it. You've just added a new task in ClickUp. This task should now appear in your task list or project board. Remember, organizing your tasks efficiently in ClickUp can significantly improve how you manage your workflows and projects on a daily basis. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident in adding tasks to ClickUp quickly and effortlessly.